Welcome back to VU Gate. Today we are covering the CS302 Digital Logic Design Midterm Advanced Quiz, featuring 40 highly important conceptual questions. Let's start with our first question. Question number 1. The binary number 101101 in 2's complement representation corresponds to which decimal value? The correct answer is -19. Moving on to the next question. Which flip-flop exhibits an unstable race-around condition when both of its inputs are held at logic high level dynamically? The correct answer is JK flip-flop. Now for the third question. How many cells or combinations are present in a standard 5-variable Carnot map? The correct answer is 32. Heading to question number 4. In a 4-variable K map, looping or grouping a total of 4 adjacent ones eliminates how many variables from the expression? The correct answer is 2 variables. Next up is question number 5. The minimum time duration for which the data signal must remain stable before the active clock edge arrives is called blank. The correct answer is setup time. Let's check out the sixth question. The minimum time duration for which the data signal must remain stable after the active clock edge has arrived is called blank. The correct answer is hold time. Moving forward to question number 7. Which of the following programmable logic devices features a programmable AND plane coupled with a fixed OR plane? The correct answer is PAL. Now for question number 8. Which of the following programmable logic devices features both a programmable AND plane and a programmable OR plane? The correct answer is PLA. Let's move to the 9th question. To prevent and eliminate static hazards from occurring within a combinational circuit, we must deliberately introduce blank. The correct answer is redundant product terms. Here is question number 10. A self-dual Boolean function consisting of n variables contains exactly how many minterms? The correct answer is 2 raised to the power of n-1. Moving on to question 11. Which digital logic family is recognized for having the highest operating speed and lowest propagation delay? The correct answer is ECL. Now for question 12. Which digital logic family features the lowest static power dissipation parameters at lower frequencies? The correct answer is CMOS. Let's look at the 13th question. How many 3 to 8 line decoders are required to implement a single 4 to 16 line decoder unit? The correct answer is 2. Heading over to question 14. An invalid or indeterminate output state occurs in an active high NOR-based SR latch when the inputs are blank. The correct answer is S equals 1, R equals 1. Next is question 15. To convert a D flip-flop into a functional T flip-flop, the external XOR gate must connect its inputs to T and blank. The correct answer is the current output Q. Let's move to question 16. What is the minimum number of flip-flops required to construct a synchronous mod 12 counter? The correct answer is 4 flip-flops. Now for question 17. How many distinct stable states are present in a 4-bit synchronous ring counter sequence? The correct answer is 4 states. Moving to the 18th question. How many distinct stable states are present in a 4-bit synchronous Johnson counter sequence? The correct answer is 8 states. Here is question 19. If an external 100 MHz clock signal is applied to a T flip-flop with its T input tied permanently to 1, the output frequency will be blank. The correct answer is 50 MHz. Next up is question 20. Which non-weighted binary code is systematically classified as a unit distance or cyclic code? The correct answer is gray code. Let's look at question 21. According to Boolean algebra simplification rules, the expression a plus a prime b simplifies directly to blank. The correct answer is a plus b. Moving to question 22. Essential prime implicants in a K map are defined as prime implicants that contain at least one that is blank. The correct answer is not covered by any other prime implicant. Now for question 23. In the IEEE 754 single precision floating point format, what is the bias added to the actual exponent value? The correct answer is 127. Heading to question 24. The open collector output configurations of TTL gates require an external blank component to operate correctly. The correct answer is pull-up resistor. Next is question 25. Which combinational system resolves conflicts when multiple output lines attempt to become active simultaneously? The correct answer is priority encoder. Let's check out question 26. In a look-ahead carry adder circuit, the carry generate function G sub I for stage I is mathematically represented as blank. The correct answer is a sub I dot B sub I. Moving forward to question 27. In a look-ahead carry adder circuit, the carry propagate function P sub I for stage I is represented as blank. The correct answer is a sub I exclusive or B sub I now for question 28. A 2-bit digital magnitude comparator testing, A equals B outputs high when which expression is true. The correct answer is a 1 exclusive or B 1 whole prime, multiplied by a 0 exclusive or B 0 whole prime. Let's look at question 29. Dynamic RAM memory technologies require a continuous blank sequence to preserve stored bit states. The correct answer is periodic refresh cycle. Turning now to question 30. Which type of logic circuit hazard produces multiple erratic transitions where only a single clean transition was intended? The correct answer is dynamic hazard. Moving on to question 31. The dual of the Boolean algebraic identity expression, open parenthesis A plus B close parenthesis dot C, is equal to blank. The correct answer is open parenthesis A dot B close parenthesis plus C. Now for question 32. Which logic gate is universally utilized to construct parity generation and error detection check networks? The correct answer is XOR. Let's check out question 33. A standard digital multiplexer is commonly referred to as a blank in functional contexts. The correct answer is data selector. Heading over to question 34. A standard digital demultiplexer is commonly referred to as a blank in functional contexts. The correct answer is data distributor. Next up is question 35. The decimal number plus 5.25 represented in 32-bit floating point format will have a sign bit value of blank. The correct answer is 0. Let's move to question 36. What is the 8-bit excess 127 representation binary exponent value for the decimal value 8.0? The correct answer is 130. Now for question 37. For an active low-input NAND gate-based SR latch, the quiet or stable hold state is maintained when blank. The correct answer is S prime equals 1, R prime equals 1. Here is question 38. How many selection control lines are mandatory to operate a 16:1 multiplexer circuit? The correct answer is 4 select lines. Let's look at question 39. The maximum quantitative binary count value achievable by a 4-bit asynchronous ripple counter is blank. The correct answer is 15. Finally, question 40. Which error-correcting or checking logic code appends extra bit fields to discover single-bit system translation corruptions? The correct answer is Hamming code.